Is your Canon printer showing error 6000 and refusing to print? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps to fix Canon Printer Error 6000 at home. These solutions work for most Canon PIXMA, MAXIFY and MegaTank printers. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Check for paper jam. First, turn off your printer. Open the front and rear covers carefully. Look for jammed paper, small paper pieces, dust or any foreign object blocking the paper path. Even a tiny piece of paper can trigger error 6000. Canon identifies paper jams or feed obstructions as common causes of this error. Step 2. Check the paper output tray. Make sure the paper output tray opens completely. Remove anything placed in front of the printer. Books, documents or other objects can prevent the tray from opening and cause error 6000. Step 3. Power reset the printer. Now, unplug the printer from the power outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. A power reset clears temporary hardware errors on many Canon printer models. Step 4. Check the paper feed rollers. Inspect the paper feed rollers. If they're dusty, gently clean them with a soft, lint-free cloth. Also make sure the rollers rotate freely and nothing is blocking them. Step 5. When nothing works. If error 6000 still appears after trying all these steps, the printer may have an internal paper feed or sensor issue. In that case, visit Canon's support resources or contact an authorized Canon service center for further diagnosis. That's it. I hope this quick guide helped you fix Canon Printer Error 6000. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to Print Smart Help and press the bell icon for more printer troubleshooting videos. If you're still facing the error, comment your Canon printer model number below and I'll help you troubleshoot it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.